The way they teach, the knowledge they share, the care they take, the love they shower, makes them world's best teachers. Good morning, school. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, today's assembly is being conducted by the teachers. I would like to invite Gulab sir to start with the prayer.
Hello all of you. Let's do the prayer. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. Worship Your holy name. The sun comes up, is the new day done. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever you and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. You're rich in love and you're slow to anger. Your name is great, your heart is kind. For all your I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Thank you.
Right hand forward. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders a respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to everyone, to my country and its people. I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Good morning, school. Today's thought is, you cannot decide what difficulties you will face, but you can decide what your attitude will be towards those difficulties. Means, make always a positive attitude on every problem. You can easily solve them. Thank you.
प्रभात। आज हिंदी शब्दकोश से मैं आपके लिए एक नया शब्द लेकर आई हूँ, संगणक, जिसके वर्णों का क्रम कुछ इस प्रकार है। स के ऊपर अनुस्वार यानी कि बिंदी, ग, ण, क, संगणक, जिसका अर्थ है ऐसी मशीन या फिर ऐसा यंत्र जिसके द्वारा गणना को शीघ्रता से किया जा सकता है, अर्थात कंप्यूटर। इसका वाक्य प्रयोग है, संगणक के प्रयोग से समय की बचत होती है। शिक्षक दिवस की आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Good morning. Today I am here to give you the word of the day. The word is adulation. It spells ADULATION. T-I-O-N. It means excessive admiration or praise. Its usage: your strong desire for public adulation can become the single driving force in your life. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is remembered as a successful leader in the form of the President of the country, a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Students eagerly look forward the Teachers' Day to tell their teachers how and why they are special to them. In these pandemic times, though we are not able to physically meet, the students of St. Thomas School are paying their gratitude to their teachers through these videos. Whatever be the situation, our spirits are never dampened.
Good morning, everybody. Respected principal, headmistresses, and dear teachers. Today we are commemorating the birthday of our former president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. To honor him, we are celebrating this day as the Teachers' Day. According to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, teachers are supposed to be the best minds of the world. Kothari Commission writes in its preamble, the future of India lies on the classrooms. Let me change this line in a different way during this lockdown time. Home, students, their parents, and the teachers, wherever they are uniting, there lies the future of India. Dear teachers, you are removing the darkness during this time, not only this time, every day, every moment. You are giving courage and hope to the parents during this lockdown period. In the initial time of lockdown period, almost all the parents worried what would be the future of my child. Because of your hard work and effort, you have changed their confusion. You have removed their confusion. You have given them enough courage and confidence. Dear parents, dear teachers, let me congratulate everybody and wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone, myself Arnav Tyagi. On this Teachers' Day, I would love to thank all my beloved teachers. Teachers are the most unsung heroes we have. I appreciate you all. I salute to your efforts. I am very fortunate to have such great teachers who have helped me, guided me and taught me so many things. Earlier when I used to be shy and was having so many difficulties in speaking in public, but today I am standing here and giving a speech that would not have been possible by these ideal teachers. We love you, respect you and of course have faith you. You all are the best. I feel like I have got world's best teachers. Once again, I thank you all for your support. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Doreen Sarah Jones. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers' Day. First of all, I would like to thank my class teachers for giving me a chance to speak on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher and became My name is Drishti Mukherjee from 4th day. Today I will share my views on Teachers' Day. 5th September, the birthday of Bharat Ratna Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, is celebrated as Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to that person who can change life of an individual. A child's first step in this world without their parents is their school, and first day of school can change their views towards this world. So as mine, on my first day to school, I was handed over by my mother to a beautiful lady. My heart was fearful and my eyes were full of tears. She took me on her lap and said, "I am there for you, my child." Her loving smile, warmth she gave, was as secure as my mother's. Yes, teachers play a role of our parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas a teacher molds that child's personality to provide a bright future. My dear teachers, thank you for guiding me when I am wrong, appreciating me when I am right, answering my all-important or useless questions with same patience. Without your teaching and guidance, a child cannot achieve a successful life. In this world, everything could be stolen or destroyed, but knowledge cannot be. Thank you for giving me this precious gift which can neither be stolen nor be destroyed. Teachers' Day is just an official day when we can thank you for all you do for your students. We should always be grateful to you. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Sanvi Singh, class 1D. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. As we all know that today on 5 September we are celebrating Teachers' Day. This day is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a teacher and became second president of India in 1962 on request of his students. We should celebrate Teachers' Day to pay respect our teachers. We should always obey and follow our teachers' orders. They guide us, support us and build our future. I love all my teachers and thank them for teaching and guiding us. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. Today I want to share my wonderful experience with my teachers. Thank you teachers for teaching deep in me to find all I can be before I can see it myself. You never gave up on me. I have a future because of you. Today I would like to thank all my teachers for not only teaching me of various subjects but embracing qualities like growth and wisdom and making me a good child. I feel a great pleasure to be blessed by such amazing teachers in my life. Thank you.
सभी को नमस्ते। मेरा नाम वैष्णवी भाटिया है। आज मैं अपनी प्रिय टीचर के बारे में कविता सुनाऊंगी। आप हमें पढ़ाते हो, आप हमें सिखाते हो, आप हमें समझाते हो। बंद हो जाए सब दरवाजे जब आप नया रास्ता दिखाते हो। हम बच्चों का भविष्य आप ही तो बताते हो। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मैम एंड प्रिंसिपल सर। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है अवनी त्यागी। आज है टीचर्स डे। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का बर्थडे। आज मैं अपने सभी टीचर्स के लिए एक श्लोक सुनाऊंगी। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुवे नमः गुरुवे नमः गुरुवे नमः। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल माय टीचर्स। आज मैंने एक पोस्टर बनाया है मेरे सभी टीचर्स के लिए। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल माय टीचर्स। थैंक यू। मेरा नाम दीक्षिता श्रीवास्तव है। मैं कक्षा फर्स्ट सी की छात्रा हूँ। यह एक धन्यवाद कार्ड है। ये शिक्षक के लिए। आज मैं शिक्षक दिवस पर एक पोएम सुना रही हूँ। हम स्कूल रोज जाते, शिक्षक हमको पाठ पढ़ाते। दिल बच्चों का कोरा कागज, उस पर ज्ञान अमिट लिखवाते। जाति धर्म पर लड़े ना कोई, करना सबसे प्रेम सिखाते। यही सफलता कैसी पानी जैसे चलना शिखर बनाते। दोस्तों, ये है स्कूलों में अच्छा एक इंसान बनाते। धन्यवाद। शिक्षक दिवस।
Hello guys, my name is विवान चौधरी। हम स्कूल रोज जाते हैं, शिक्षक हमको पाठ पढ़ाते। बच्चों का दिल कोरा कागज, उस पर थे ज्ञान अमृत लिखवाते। पर अब की बार शिक्षक दिवस पर बिना शिक्षक के हैं ऐसे, बिना सुगंध के फूल हो जैसे। कठिन समय में कोरोना के ये योद्धा बनकर आगे आए, भूल कर अपनी सारी घटनाएं, मेहनत कर हमको पाठ पढ़ाए। अगर न मिलता आपका सहारा, पूरा न होता लक्ष्य हमारा। फिर से जब स्कूल खुलेंगे, आपसे ज्ञान के दीप मिलेंगे। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
सुप्रभात, मैं निखिल सिंह कक्षा चौथी का छात्र आज आपके समक्ष शिक्षक दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। जादूगर सर। सर को कैसे याद पहाड़े, सर को कैसे याद गणित। यह सोचती है दीपाली, यह सोचता है सुमित। सर को पूरी याद भूगोल, कैसे पता कि पृथ्वी गोल। मोटी मोटी किताबें पढ़ जाते, हम तो थोड़े में थक जाते। तभी बोला वो गोपाल, जिसके बड़े बड़े थे बाल। सर भी तो कभी कच्चे थे, हम जैसे ही बच्चे थे। पढ़ लिख कर सब हुआ कमाल, यूं ही सीखे सारे सवाल। सचमुच के जादूगर है, इसलिए तो उनका नाम सर है। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम आयुष्मान कर, मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं शिक्षक दिवस पर कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। मेरी टीचर सबसे अच्छी, हम बच्चों की दोस्त है सच्ची, बहुत प्यार से हमें पढ़ाती, खेल खेल में अच्छी बात सिखाती। मेरी टीचर मेरी माँ जैसी, अच्छे काम पर देती शाबाशी, जब भी करूँ मैं शैतानी, कान खींचे याद आए नानी। आप देते हो हमें शिक्षा, फिर लेते हो हमारी परीक्षा, इसी सब में छुपा है आपका असीम प्यार, इसी प्यार से आप हमारे जीवन को करते हो विस्तार। थैंक यू। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। थैंक यू।
अहम नामः दिविषा अग्रवाल अस्ति। अहम 7वी कक्षा पठन्ति। सर्वेभ्यः शिक्षकाभ्यः शिक्षकेभ्यः च समर्पितं किमस्ति तत्पदं यः लभते इह सम्मानम्। किमस्ति तत्पदं या करोति देशानां निर्माणम्। किमस्ति तत्पदं यं कुर्वन्ति सर्वः प्रणामः। किमस्ति तत्पदं यस्य छात्राय प्राप्तं या। किमस्ति तत्पदं या रक्षयति चरितजनानां। गुरुवस्ति अस्य पदस्य नाम सर्वस्य गुरुवनां मम शत प्रणाम।
Bonjour, good morning. Today I will recite a short poem in French. Je suis venu de ta classe pour apprendre profonde, mais ce quoi t'assiste le mot monde. It means I came into class to learn to grow, but what has us is the love we have shown. Thank you, Mercy, and happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
Good morning, ma'am. Hello, friends. I am Avika Dikshit from class 2B. Today I am going to tell you about teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Teacher, teacher, dear teacher, you always led by example. You were never a preacher. Teacher, teacher, dear teacher, whenever we fail, you were always a believer. Teacher, teacher, dear teacher, you looked at everyone, even the backbenchers. Teacher, teacher, dear teacher, your knowledge and wisdom has made us richer. Thank you. I love you.
A very warm good morning to one and all present here. I, Pars Mandal from class 3rd is going to present a heart-touching poem on Teachers' Day named Thank You, Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, to show me a way and guide me with the golden words. When I was toddling and falling in hail and putting it forth. Thank you, ma'am, for having such a concern and keep my trust alive. Thank you for being my mother in turn and help me whenever I arrive. Keep your hand over my head like this and keep loving and preaching me so that you keep inspiring and influencing me, giving me a place to unlock the treasure of knowledge with your key. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, my name is Usa Ansari from class 1A. Today we are here to celebrate Teachers' Day, and I am going to present a special song and for all my respected teachers. And here is the song. Oh my teacher, lovely teacher, I love you, and I know you love me too. I know you love me too. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You are so nice. You are so kind. You work hard to teach me something new. So I want to say thank you. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to recite a poem on Teachers' Day. School is like a temple where teachers are immortal. We are like an empty bottle when we try to fill this bottle. Our teacher says it's separate total. Whenever we do mistake, our teacher catches like a thief. We always feel that we are cool, but our teachers say we are just fools. Our teachers are like friends, only surrenders to them. Teachers are fond of knowledge only when we acknowledge. Teachers show the direction. We are the one who reaches the destination. We know the stepping stone is our growth in our life, but our teachers teaches the meaningful vibes. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ashushi. I study in class 30. Today I am going to sing a song on Teachers Day. This song is dedicated to all my beloved teachers. Let's start. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are my gift from God. You are my light of life. You are my gift from God. You are my light of life. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Bye, ma'am. Hello, friends. Today I am going to tell about Happy Teachers Day song. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are our best friend. You are our best friend. You are our best friend. Happy Teachers Day. You are a role model. You are a role model. You are a role model. Happy Teachers Day. You are a light of life. You are a light of life. You are a light of life. Happy Teachers Day.
Good evening, ma'am. Today I will sing a song on Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy day. आप जो पढ़ाएंगे हम पढ़ते जाएंगे, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे हम, ना कभी रुकेंगे हम, ना कभी झुकेंगे हम, जो चाहे वो बन जाएंगे. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy day. आपके मान को, आपके सम्मान को ना कभी झुकने देंगे हम. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy day. Thank you.
Everyone, today I will tell you about Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift of God. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher, I miss you, teacher, I thank you, teacher, for everything. I love you, teacher, I miss you, teacher, I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to everything. Good morning, everybody. I am Maniru. Today I am going to present a dance on the occasion of Teachers Day.
Sakshat Parabrahma
Stacy Wednesday.
Today I am presented a small dance dedicated to all my teachers. Let's get started.
Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान। ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। I love my India, I love my India।
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन,
Happy Teachers Day to all my wonderful
खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाए, आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे। एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे। सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम, दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे।
To dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different 'cause we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. teacher.
कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है कि हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सी तुम्हें मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, के भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को, इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको। दिए की ज्योति सी तुम्हें मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, के भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते हो। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी।
Greetings from St. Thomas School, Sahibabad. At the outset, I wish all the teaching fraternity a very safe and happy Teachers' Day. We have been sailing through at different times since the last week of March 2020 due to an unprecedented pandemic that hit the globe and has rewritten many equations. It affects the normal schooling pattern too, along with the other divergent areas. But all the obstacles have got turned into opportunities by our dedicated and committed teachers with their hard work and willingness to adapt with the new requirements. I am not forgetting the teachers of rural India struggling to reach out their students. I strongly believe that the students, parents and the rest of the world will appreciate their resilience. Hats off, my dear teachers. This Teachers' Day is very special for us. Happy Teachers' Day once again. Stay safe. Thank you.
Teachers don't need to learn how to use 50 online teaching tools or stay awake till midnight emailing parents or holding video conferencing with their students every day. They just need to be there with their students like they always have. Thank you, dear children, on behalf of the entire St. Thomas family for that wonderful performance. We are always with you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.